Ever wished you could fast forward through the night or make that creeper attack happen during the day? Well, today I'm going to show you how to control time itself in both Minecraft Java and Bedrock editions in just a few simple steps. Let's start with Java edition. First, make sure you have cheats enabled in your world settings, then open the chat window by pressing the T key on your keyboard. Now, type /time set, followed by the time you desire. You can choose day, night, noon, or midnight for quick settings, or specify a numeric value between 0 and 3999. Hit enter, and watch the sun or moon zip across the sky. Isn't that neat? Now, for Bedrock edition, the process is very similar, although it has a few visual differences again. Ensure cheats are active in your world settings. Open the chat window. Just like in Java, type /time set followed by your desired time. You can use the same preset options like day, night, noon, and midnight, or use numerical values. And voila, you're now a master of time in both versions of Minecraft. Now you can control daylight for building, schedule those mob spawns, or simply skip the night to avoid those pesky creepers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Minecraft tips and tricks.